Oh, great. Hi. Okay. Okay.
So just sort of get down while you know, just try to hold it in one hand, just something.
Oh, okay. We are sledding down the hill outside our house on the sidewalk. Mr. Bob snowplowed. Annie, was that fun? Here, let me come get your face. Hey, Annie Bug, look at me. Was that super fun? We went so fast. Now we'll look over here. And here comes Evie. Should we film Evie? Whoa! Look how fast they're going. And Evie makes it all the way to the driveway. Okay.